The man discovered a nest of newly hatched baby birds. Their beaks looked unusual, with their mouths wide open and heads bobbing. The baby birds looked fragile, their skin nearly transparent, and you could see the food moving down their esophagus. The man took great care of them, placing them in an incubator and feeding them every 1 to 2 hours. After 2 weeks, the baby birds started growing feathers, and the man began taking them outside to enjoy the sunlight. Under his meticulous care, the birds gradually grew stronger. Raised in the man's hands, they would open their mouths and bob their heads whenever his hand came close, just like when they were younger. At feeding time, they chirped incessantly and wouldn't stop until they were fed. If not fed quickly, they would continue to open their mouths wide and bob their heads. As they matured, these birds transformed into stunning multicolored finches, which was an unexpected and delightful surprise.